मिहिरा।
कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं?
माउंट समर गवर्नमेंट स्कूल।
कौन से क्लास में?
UKGB।
आज आपने क्या बनाया है?
रंगोली।
उसमें क्या बनाया, क्या कुछ?
हैप्पी दिवाली।
क्या चित्र वगैरह बनाया है?
मैंने गणेश का बनाया है, एक फूल का और एक दीप का।
What is your name?
Yeah, my name is Adarsh Raj, class 10th.
क्या बनाया है?
You can see on the occasion of Diwali, our school has programmed Rangoli competition, and here we show the simple basic things. That's how India has been developed and developing in our present time. Here we show some basic things, just like our astronautical science. As we know, that everything is started from basic level, that is zero level, and the same thing which is happened here. Our astronomical science is started from a very zero level, that how scientists have lack of money and many things, but instead of that they rise up and show their potential on a large level, and now we have launched Chandrayaan 3, which have a great significance in the world. And as we know that for Rangoli, many people use grind rices and many other things. But we know that in our India, the poverty level is so high, and we don't think that we use the same thing, because the poverty has a very great level in our country. But instead of the using of the grind rice, we have used just the colors of best level. Yeah, it is natural, because we don't use any artificial color uh, to make it.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Pankhuri Anand, and I'm from Standard 9th of school Mount Sama Convent School. So we have made a rangoli on the occasion of Diwali, and the theme of this rangoli is Satyam Sarvatra Pujyate, which means that the truth always worshipped everywhere. So Diwali is celebrated on the occasion of that Ramji and Sita Mata has arrived to Ayodhya after the 14 years of exile. So the peoples of Ayodhya worship them, and by lighting diyas and candles to show devotion and love towards them. So our school has organized a Rangoli competition on this topic. So we have made this Rangoli. So thank you.
My name is Akriti from Standard 8A. Today our school had organized a Rangoli competition in which we had made Rangoli of the theme of World Cup. As we know that India is playing very well this time, and it's have been a long time that we have won. तो इस बार हम लोग चाहते हैं कि इस बार हम लोग जीते, और उसी थीम पे हमने ये रंगोली बनाया है, और हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि इस बार हमारे कंट्री ज़रूर जीतेंगे वर्ल्ड कप। और मैं ये भी मैसेज देना चाहूँगी कि इस दिवाली में आप लोग फायर फ्री दिवाली मनाइए, क्रैकर्स नहीं जलाइए और दिया जलाइए, और एकदम सेफ से दिवाली मनाइए। थैंक यू।
सो वी नो डैट कि हमारा जो चंद्रयान है वो हमारे देश के लिए बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी था, जिससे हमारे देश का नाम बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ है। एंड second is G20. G20 is also one of the greatest thing for our India. It represents our India in a whole world. And we know the social media. Social media has become the higher populated in our country and the whole over the world. And the people are very addicted with them. So we want to the children are also the age of us and teenagers, and so children are also very addicted with them things. So we want to control on it. And third is Beti Padhao and Beti Padhao Andolan. That is also so the contribution for the women's, which we got to study in our rural areas nowadays.
My name is Shalivats. I'm from 8B. हाँ, तो मतलब ये बेसिकली जो हम लोग के रंगोली का थीम है वो ये है कि मतलब हम लोग जो नाउ डेज पीपल आर रनिंग टुवर्ड द वेस्टर्न कल्चर, दे आर फॉरगेटिंग द इंडियन कल्चर। तो थ्रू दिस रंगोली वी वांट टू कन्वे दैट कि हम लोग को अपने इंडियन कल्चर को ज़्यादा फॉलो करना चाहिए, मॉडर्नाइज होने के चक्कर में वेस्टर्न की तरफ नहीं भागना चाहिए। जो हम लोग का खुद का कल्चर है हम लोग को उसको फॉलो करते रहना चाहिए। थैंक यू।